Unlocking the meaning. Complimentary drinks, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that you might come across in hotels, events, or flights. Complimentary drinks. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's actually quite simple once you understand what it means. So, let's unravel the mystery together. First things first, let's break down the word complimentary. In English, complimentary means provided for free, without charge. It's a way for businesses or hosts to show their hospitality or appreciation. When you hear complimentary, think of it as a synonym for free or on the house. When we talk about drinks, in this context, we're referring to beverages. These can range from water, sodas, and juices to alcoholic beverages like wine, beer, or cocktails, depending on the setting. The key point here is that these drinks are offered as part of the service or experience. Now, combining the two terms, complimentary drinks refers to free beverages offered to guests or customers. This could be at a hotel lobby, during a flight, at a special event, or even in a restaurant as part of a promotion. It's a gesture of hospitality, aimed at making the guest's experience more enjoyable or memorable. Businesses and hosts offer complimentary drinks for several reasons: to welcome guests and make them feel appreciated, to enhance the customer experience, making it more likely that guests will return or recommend the service to others, as part of a promotional offer to attract more customers or to introduce new beverages. While enjoying complimentary drinks, it's important to remember some basic etiquette. Don't overindulge. Enjoy the hospitality, but be mindful of your consumption. Express gratitude. A simple thank you to the staff or host goes a long way. Be aware of the context. In some settings, alcoholic beverages might be offered. If you prefer not to drink alcohol or are underage, it's perfectly acceptable to ask for a non-alcoholic alternative. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of what complimentary drinks means. Next time you encounter this phrase, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to navigate the situation gracefully. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in English-speaking environments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.